evening, viewers.
Good evening, everyone. Hearty welcome to the Silver Saga.
From its nascent days of humble simplicity of present stature, the school's journey has been nothing short but a peregrination of vision and perseverance. Today, adorned with modern infrastructural stateliness and a dynamic learning environment, it stands as a resplendent embodiment of progress, purpose, and unwavering pursuit of excellence.
At St. Joseph, every morning unfolds with a solemn prayer. Not a ritual, but a soulful start, instilling discipline, humility, and unity.
Yes, in those tranquil moments, voices merge in harmony, values are nurtured, and character is gracefully etched. The assembly is the heartbeat. The classrooms have outdistanced the era of chalk and dust. They are cutting-edge learning arenas with pulsating, end-living, and galvanizing learning. So, let's see what's happening at our smart classrooms.
Here, inquisitiveness implicates seamlessly. State-of-art laboratories are the sanctuaries where imagination transforms into innovation. We shall switch over to live spectacle from the laboratories.
In sophisticated computer labs, integrate coding teachers to stride fearlessly into the digital frontier. With that, let's head straight to the vibrant scene from our computer labs.
The library has shelves lined with wisdom, timeless tales, and knowledge, exploring worlds beyond their own. So, let's tune in the live proceedings from the place of knowledge.
The well-equipped conference and multi-purpose halls are the epicenters of events which fortify our confidence and ignite the creativity. With that, taking you to the live arena.
Compassionate hands are always near. Infirmary safeguards health, well-being with the utmost efforts. So, let's capture it live from the infirmary.
Where rhythm breathes, exuberance follows. Music and dance rooms echo with melodies and unwavering self-belief. With that, entering into the buzzing atmosphere of music and dance rooms.
Playgrounds in St. Joseph's are the arenas of discipline, camaraderie, and resilience. The serene water and the skating rink aid to glide, balance, and learn to conquer both water and ground.
Debates, festivals, seminars, and inter-house competitions refine articulation, which is strengthened intellect. With that, taking you to the live arena.
Learning extends beyond classrooms, imbuing young minds with awe and ebullience. Picnics and tours unfold windows to history, culture, nature, filling young hearts with astonishment and mirth.
Fostering compassion through charitable endeavors and initiatives inspire to give. Yes, dear friends, every corner of St. Joseph's is alive with purpose and promise, unfolding spirit of excellence.
Excellence is a tradition at St. Joseph, not a habit, not an act.
Each year, students raise the flag of achievement, city toppers for 2 consecutive years.
The progress of the school reflects the wisdom of its leadership and the tireless zeal of its educators. The fraternity is its guiding light.
Behind every achievement stands the silent yet significant role of the non-teaching staff, whose hard work and diligence makes the school to run smoothly.
In the sanctum of sapiens, a quarter century resplendent gleams.
Where intellect intertwines with integrity's noble dreams.
From tender mind to tyrants of thoughts, the voyage divine.
Illuminates corridor, where wisdom and virtue intertwine.
O St. Joseph, with legacy, a sonnet in this scholastic grace.
25 years, silver triumph in time's eternal embrace.
From the seed sown in 2001 to the flourishing tree that stands tall in 2025, the journey of St. Joseph's School has been a testament to God's gracious hand. Each passing year has been like a golden ray,
nurturing us to learn in wisdom, virtue, and excellence. Parents who have trusted us, and this is how their contribution has shaped the unbeatable legacy of our schools. Teachers, deans, and bhaiyas, without their unwavering support, the school would not have been able to etch an indelible mark with its remarkable presence. These 25 angels represent 25 years of glory, resplendence, and our intrusive presence felt in